Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Parvati, my friend asked, why? Yeah? Your husband is calling. What he called you?
Google.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಗೂಬೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದವ್ರೆ. Why you jealous on me? Why? She asked me. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಗೂಬೆ ಅಂತ. You know what is the meaning of that? Yeah, I know. I'm the beauty. He's calling me like that. Phone in ಮೊಗಕ್ಕೆ. She told her, phone in ಮೊಗಕ್ಕೆ. ಸುಂದರಿನಾ ಅವನ ಕಣ್ಣ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ವಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ that it was a paining really. So what he want? ಅಲ್ಲ, how he can call me like that a beauty? ಅವನ್ blind like that she asked. Leave it. What is the meaning of that? Hey gube, she called me. Hey gube mean owl.
Husband
Long 6 months I heard that. Long 6 months I enjoyed that. Okay. Then I went and said, he again called, hey gube darling. ಆಯ್ತು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಒಂದೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಎಡಾ ತೆಂಡಿ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ನಾರಿ ಕೊರಗ ಎರಿಮೆ all the forwards in Malayalam. ಅತ್ತೆ ಭಯಂ single breather. Then he asked me, hey, stop. Oh, he understands of that. You are the handsome fellow. You are the handsome in the world. You are the world. That's all. Boy, chav and really it was. After that, in future, I said in many interviews this. Many interviews that interviewer used to laugh and he will switch off the camera, you know. I used to say many places this is the job. Really happened. It's not a joke, it's really pain. ನಾನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಿದ shame mean ನಾಚಿಗೆ. Shame ನಾಚಿಗೆ.
Ma'am, the proud word is hema.
ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ
means
actually this is ಮಾ ಒತ್ತು.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಮ್ಮೆ
ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ
mean
Master of
buffalo.
ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ
ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅವರು. ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ mean proud. ಈ ಎಮ್ಮೆ don't say like that. ಎಮ್ಮೆ mean ಬಹಳ. ಬಹಳ.
And what is the next word?
ಅದನ್ನ opposite ಕೋಣ. ಹಿ ಬಹಳ. ಕೋಣ.